Teleprompters. I actually use them. This is the Desview T1 mobile teleprompter. I actually reviewed this in a previous episode. I talked about its specs, pros and cons, and it has served me well for the past numerous tech reviews in this channel. If you're interested in this model, I'll put a link down in the description for you to check it out. Now, I have a more badass looking teleprompter in today's episode. This is the Desview T12 Teleprompter.
Okay, alright.
Hey guys, Joe here, back with another tech review. I won't be talking about how to use a teleprompter and things to take note of when using one because I actually mentioned it in my older episode. So basically, I will talk more on this model's improvements from its predecessor and why I think this makes a full difference in terms of doing my workflow. But before we get to that, let's unbox this bad boy. Opening the box comes the storage handbag that stores all the gears. User manual, sun shield, remote, a package that has an L bracket, screws, and microfiber cloth, camera mount adapter, and the teleprompter holder. Installing the teleprompter is pretty easy. First, get a sturdy tripod. I'm using a Manfrotto Befree live carbon fiber tripod because it's my go-to video tripod and I've been using it in most of my contents. Get the quick release plate of the tripod and attach it to the teleprompter holder. Then mount it to the tripod. Then install the camera mount adapter. Take out the quick release plate and install it to a camera. Then mount it to the teleprompter holder. If you want to shoot in a vertical orientation instead, get the L bracket and attach it to the camera. Attach the L bracket to the quick release plate. Then mount it to the teleprompter like this. And attach the sun shield. Now all is left is to mount a phone or a tablet. This mount can extend up to 250mm, which can fit an 11-inch iPad Pro. Your device should install the Desview app, which is available in the App Store or Google Play, in order to project your script to the screen. There you have it, Desview T12 fully assembled. So as you can see, this teleprompter makes me look like a pro comparing to the T1. If you have paying clients, they would think, ay, they're paying for a pro for their commercials and projects. Yes! The T12 has a much stable and even mounting system. I like that now I have the option to either use a phone or a tablet to project my script. Especially when I need a bigger screen in situations you are reading far away and you can't even read the small text anymore. I can now use wider lenses for this model. I'm using a 15mm lens on an APS-C. It doesn't make a weird vignette anymore on the side. For people shooting vertical orientation, their L bracket features makes a huge difference, especially if your audience are majority phone users and you need that vertical orientation for your shot. And the last thing I like about this gear is the teleprompter holder. If you look closely at this holder, it has a 3/8 and 1/4 inch threads, which you can mount stuff that you can put on the side like mics or maybe external monitors. Did I mention Desview actually has external monitors? Desview, baka naman. The only disadvantage I notice about using this teleprompter is for smaller cameras that have flip screen. I tried mounting my Fujifilm camera and I no longer see the flip screen. So, if ever you would use this as a vlogging rig, you need to buy a wireless video transmitter that can transmit to an external device like the Benbox by Inkay, which I reviewed this device in an older episode already. Or get a bigger external monitor that you can attach to the side, like the Desview external monitor. Desview, hi! So, that is my review of the Desview T12 Teleprompter. What do you guys think of this model? Comment down in the comment section. If you guys are interested in this product, you can reach out to Desview and I'll put their links down below. Alrighty, that ends my tech review video for today. Thank you guys for watching. And if you want to be updated in my next contents, please don't forget to subscribe to my social media accounts. This is Joe Serrano signing out. I'll see you in the next one. Peace, guys.